Welcome back to Northern Tesla. Today I'm reviewing the Jowua MagSafe phone mount. Alright, I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of phone car mounts. Even more so in a Tesla because I think it ruins the minimalistic aesthetic. Like, here's this one I used to do videos with. Like, who wants this hanging from their windshield, right? Like, it's just cumbersome and ugly. And the other reason I'm not a fan is I generally like to have my phone charging on the wireless pad. So I wouldn't want it in a mount because then you can't charge. Well, cue in the Jowua MagSafe mount, which literally has squashed all the issues I have with phone mounts. I'm going to do a quick install and show you guys how it works and how it looks. Before I get into it though, please take a second and subscribe. I do believe it's a scientific fact that subscribers to Northern Tesla are much smarter than the average population. So you should probably subscribe. Alright, so why do I like this Jowua phone mount? Now, I haven't installed it yet, but this is why I'm very interested. First off, it supports iPhone MagSafe wireless charging. So there's my charging issue solved. It has customized cable for Model 3 and Y. So your cable that's going to charge is going to be hidden, so you're not going to see it, which keeps the clean look. And the best part is it has an invisible and hidden design. So when your phone is mounted, sure, you got access to your phone, but when you're not using it, it slides away. It's invisible. So I'm very excited to try this on. So let's go ahead and open this. You can also get a iPhone case from Jowua. So this one's pretty nice. It's just a clear case. It has that typical circle for the MagSafe area here. So it's nice. I'll put that on my phone shortly. So like all phone mounts, you have a little diagram of what you're getting, which is pretty cool. All right, so this is the actual piece. The actual connection is really nice. It's like a nice soft pad for your phone. And then the arm itself is really a nice, really finished metal, like titanium. It's really, feels good and it's nice looking. So let's get this installed. All right, I've had the phone mount in my car for about a week now, and like I said at the start of the video, I'm not a big fan of phone mounts. But I have to say, after having it in the car, I kind of got used to it, and it's kind of useful, actually. And I do really like this Jowua one. First off, it's wireless. The MagSafe option is great, so you don't have to have your phone clamped or anything like that, and if you put your phone on and take your phone off, it's so easy. And it charges, and the cable is hidden under the trim, so you don't see it. It's really nice looking. The other thing I like about it is it's you can move it a lot. So you can move it up and down, and there's no lock. You don't have to lock it in place or anything. It just moves and it holds its place, which is pretty cool. And then the actual mount itself is on a swivel, so you can change the degree of it, which is awesome. And then in the position of it, so when you're actually driving and touching your phone, it's pretty, like, you're just a few inches away. So it's really convenient for that. The only thing I didn't like about it is, so if you have the mount all the way up to top position, your phone's kind of like in your views, which I don't like that. And then if you have it closer to the screen, then you're covering your speedometer. So that's the really only thing I didn't like about it. All right, if you'd like to get your own Jowua phone mount, head over to their website, jowua-life.com. They have tons of cool accessories. I've obviously had the phone mount. I did a wireless pad as well as the game controller. You can see these reviews up here in the Jowua playlist. I'm really impressed with all their stuff. They both look good and work great as well. I also have the phone case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It looks great. I've had tons of compliments on it so far. And if you want, use code JWEU5 for 5% off the entire website. All right. So thanks again for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with what you think. And also, don't forget to subscribe. That will help me out a lot. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. All right. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next week. So I just didn't like the way. All right, so I've had the car. All right, so. All right. All right, like. All right, I've had the phone mount. Like, here's one I used to shoot videos. It's. Oh. All right, we're going to take two. Take two. All right, so why do I like this Jowua? Pop Joel. All right, so why am I excited about this Jowua? All right, so why am I excited about this Jowua phone mount? Well, like I said, charging issue. Case for MagSafe charging, so you'll may need that.